party Jubilee reached at the party's special national delegates convention, including the change of leadership, which must be taken as final. We demand that these resolutions be respected and enforced by the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties. 4. Kenya Kwanza must make no mistake that Azimio will do everything possible to protect its affiliate parties from these heinous attacks. We ask all Kenyans to join us in protecting multi-party democracy, for which many Kenyans lost their lives. 5. All Jubilee Party members of Parliament who have crossed the floor and joined Kenya Kwanza must go for by-elections. Those who hold their positions by virtue of their nomination by Azimio must have their nominations revoked. The Registrar of Political Parties, Mrs. Anne Nderitu, must leave office in view of clear manifestations that she has been co-opted into partisan and illegal schemes by Kenya Kwanza to cripple instead of protecting political parties. Anne Nderitu no longer enjoys the confidence of her clans, who are political parties, and whom by her mandate she is supposed to strengthen, not to weaken as she is doing. The meeting resolved and has given authority to our team in the bipartisan talks to issue a notice of dissolution of the talks in the event that Kenya Kwanza will not publicly accede to the interim measures within 6 days, in line with the provisions of the framework agreement. This notice ends on Tuesday next week. Thereafter, the Azimio coalition will communicate our next course of action